Also here, we're tracking shares of Kraft Heinz. Yeah, we're going into the kitchen and into the, well, wherever you're storing your ketchup and mustards at, into the pantries perhaps. After Goldman Sachs made a bullish call on the company, upgrading it to buy from neutral with a $43 price target. They're saying that this is one of the consumer staples out there where higher margins, profit margins, it's not fully baked in at this point. So for anybody who's looking to stock up on some ketchups or some mustards, perhaps Kraft Heinz is that option. But there's so many other categories that Kraft Heinz has been able to really deliver for investors, especially as consumers are really monitoring where they can either buy in bulk in some cases or just get that value that they had seen over many years. And you go back to some of the household names that have the largest brand equity. We'd seen that in some of the other fashion and apparel calls out there in the street. And Kraft Heinz is certainly one of those right now with the largest brand equity, too.
Yeah, we told folks last week when those Conagra earnings numbers hit, we said, watch what they said look what they said on prices. They had a lot of success, despite people becoming more mobile again, pushing through price increases. And that is the same theme that we are seeing in this upgrade from Kraft Heinz, which is, despite price increases, they're expecting a lot of these price increases that Kraft took, just like Conagra, they are likely to stick in coming quarters. Now, that comes against a backdrop of CEO Miguel Patricio probably doesn't enough credit for getting this company off life support, I think he's past his 2-year mark as CEO, but he's out there cutting a lot of costs from this business. So if you have higher prices, lower costs, that's a pretty good setup for profits.